Well, what's up, guys? In this video, we're gonna be playing Airplane 4 Story. So, it starts here. Oh yeah, let me read my shirt now. Okay, so like we start here. It's just Airplane 4, Airplane 4, yay, 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 we're playing Airplane 4, everyone. Airplane 4, oh my goodness, Airplane 4, Airplane 4, Airplane 4, oh my goodness. Oh my, oh my, oh my, Airplane 4. Oh my, it's my papa. What? Wiki, 18, biggie. Oh, thanks, cuh. What? Don't tell me you forgot about the yes king. Today is the big day. What, am I gonna like rail dudes or something? Oh, let me remind you, we are flying to the Rohamas. Get down here. Okay, papa. I guess I have to listen. I gotta bust my teeth first. Oh, there we go. How do I get down to Papa? Papa! 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 Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! Oh my! I can't believe it. That's it. Whoever doesn't have baggage ready for breakfast is not going. We're gonna start making the burger. Who eats burgers at 9 a.m.? Sure, I'm American, but like I don't eat burgers in the morning. Oh, I need the shirt, I need the shirt, and I need the shoes, and I need the shirt, and I need the, oh, come on, cuh. And I need this, and then I should be done. 45 seconds. Almost died in real life, okay. Give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that. Oh, I get 4 or 5 seconds. Oh, I didn't even read the whole thing. Okay, I should stop. Okay, bro. I explored the house, cuh. Okay. Find item. Go, 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 go. 41 seconds left. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Is that it? Oh. So I was gonna pack a pair of shorts. That was not it! Ooh. I already have shoes, bro. Like, look. Look, I already have shoes. Goodness. Why do I need to wear 2 pairs of shoes at the same? Which one is it? Huh? It's not one of these shoes. I'm some stupid. Yeah, where are these shoes? Are they in the woman's room? They better not be in the hot babe room. They're in the hot babe room. Oh! No! 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 Okay, that's definitely the woman's room, bro. I did not see that in the men that comment. I don't, like, if I don't beat this, I'm about to start railing dudes. Cause, like, why is this so hard? Like, I'm about to start railing a dude. Like, I have to interact with it. With the bedroom. Cause, like, I know that one better because I spawned in there. Burgers! Burgers! Burger, 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 burger. Are you? Am I getting rage baited? Or is he like? Oh my goodness! I guess I was in Jesse Bush's pool. I like Jesse Bush. Burgers, cuh. I want a burger, cuh. Not that actually I do want that green. The green one looks tasty. I'm about to put food. Yes. That's what I call cinema. Hello everyone, we are back on the Block Zero Snooze. Ooh, that it's the radio. Earlier this month, the president congratulated the brave heroes that saved his life aboard the presidential plane. Whoa, can you imagine saving a plane? However, the president said in conference aides, we landed, the suspect somehow disappeared. Bro, why is this game talking about 9/11? I don't need to hear about 9/11. It is September. I was going to say it's not even September, but I mean, it is September. They got me there. It is September. But still, it's not even the 11th. It starts on the 3rd. Goodness. Like, goodness. Useless? Why are you calling me useless, cuh? That's why I'm faster than you. Yeah, that's why I'm faster than you. That's why I'm faster than you. That's why I'm faster than you. I just ate a burger and I'm still faster than you. I'm faster than you. I'm faster than you. I'm faster than you. I'm faster than you. I can rail you. I can literally rail you while you're walking. You're so slow. Goodness. I'm faster than you. I'm faster. I'm faster. I'm faster. A garage? Yeah, it's a garage. A garage. Ooh. Sorry, guys. I present you. Don't call it small. It's big. It's big. Oh, Big Buck Killer is playing Roblox. We get to fly to the airport to catch another plane. That's funny. So we are recreating 9/11. I mean, it is September, so it's a pretty good time. It's a pretty good month to be playing this game. What do you think I did like 10 years ago, cuh? Like, goodness gracious. Okay, I have to like win because if I don't win, I'm gonna be like no king. 633. When did I made a video? We will have to find out. Just be careful with the obstacles. Oh no. Obstacles! Get to the end of the road? Oh, what if I don't? What is happening with my plane? How you go down? Oh. This game is so anticlimactic. It's so funny. Yeah, it's meant for like 4-year-olds. So like a geek Chad like me can just like do it without trying. Go. Go this way. This way. This way. This way. Yes, I got past the obstacle. So hard. This obstacle was so hard. This obstacle was so hard. Oh my god. Which way do we go? Which way do I go? Which way do we go? I'm sure when I played back on my Xbox, it was like impossible. I just missed the badge. I don't care. Yeah, level 2. Perfect. Everyone is here now. I forgot to tell you, flying over that shortcut is illegal. I don't care, buddy. How about you die, please? Hey, food, nobody saw you. The airport is just around the corner. Let's keep it moving. Follow, Papa. But like Jesse Bush, hurry up. Goodness. Friggin' Jesse Bush is faster. What is this? It's right over there. Hurry up, Gramps. Uh-oh, that ain't good. Monster truck! There's a monster truck. We're gonna get hit? Never mind, I guess I got hit! My goodness! Going to end this recording early. Gosh. Okay, end my recording early. That's not good. What? 6767 to Rohamas is leaving in 5 minutes. Okay. I guess I'll doom scroll for 5 minutes. Goodness. I already have my ticket. Get yours before the plane takes off without. But why we getting tickets with 5 minutes to board? That's 5 minutes before it takes off. Not even boarding. Where do I get my ticket, cuh? So over here, what father is? Where do I get my ticket? Oh, I see. Welcome. There you go, cuh. There you go. Kill yourself. Here you go, cuh. Welcome. Where do I do that? I am blind. Bro. Goodness. Yeah, give me my ticket. Give me my ticket. Give me. How about my plane crashes and I die? Thank you. Why's my character? This game has been updated in 17 years. No. How about I don't? I don't even. Why did I favorite this game? This game is stupid. Yeah, we must be, because there's 5 minutes before we take off. Goodness. All you need to do now is go through the metal detector and... Alright, cuh. Yeah. Kill yourself. What? I don't have anything on me. Oh, you're definitely like a demon. Goodness. Just spelled that wrong. I'm assuming I can't spell for my life, so like. He comments. Oh no, I don't like how that sounds. What is there like a big scary mod? Oh, please, officers! Arrest me! There you go. No, no. Okay. Well, I'm at 1 HP, so like you're gonna have to shoot them by yourself. Oh, we hit them with bats. Oh yeah, I remember this. We kill them with bats, because I can run the names. Ooh. Get it back, cuh. Get it back, cuh. Get it back, cuh. We are totally losing. Yeah, look at my health. I got ran over by a truck. I don't see anything. But oh, it's Jesse Bush. Jesse Bush! Help! 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 It's Jesse Bush! It's Jesse Bush! It's Jesse Bush! Jesse Bush! Help! 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 I got ran over by a truck and it's Jesse Bush! Jesse! Jesse Bush! Jesse! 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 Look, Papa, it's Jesse Bush. Jesse Bush. Jesse Bush. Jesse Bush. Jesse Bush. Jesse Bush. Can you like shut up? I'm not even reading what you're saying, cuh. Well, Key, I'm just making fun of you because Jesse Bush is your dad. Like, I'll be honest here, and like, I'm gonna die because of you, because like, you're bro, I'll make a band of YouTube. Stop it! Help! Help! Nope! Help! 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 I said help in game. Help! 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 Give me a bat. Why am I still holding the suitcase? Yeah, get my father! Get my father! No! No! Get my father! Stop it! I don't have a bat! Give me the bat! This game sucks. They're going my papa. Give me the bat. Stop. Before I tell my papa. Tell him. I hate this game! Hate this game, I quit!